Croeso I Dechnolegau Digidol yng Coleg Cambria. Welcome to Digital Technologies at Coleg Cambria. I'm Trevor Jones, and I'll just tell you a little bit about the GCSE in computer science that we offer here at the college. So, as I said, I'm from the Digital Technologies department, and this course can be assessed through the medium of English or through Welsh. There are papers available through the medium of Welsh as well as through the medium of English, so I think it's important that you're aware of that. What I'm going to do is just give you a bit of an overview of the course now, and I'll do that first of all by showing you the specification document from the awarding body. So this is from Gcse, who are the awarding body. And the course itself is broken down into three key components or units. The first one is a theoretical unit that covers an understanding of computer science, and it's assessed by a 1 3/4 hour exam, which constitutes 50% of the qualification. We'll look at some of the specifics in a moment, but if I move on, Unit 2 is more of a practical unit with links to what we do in Unit 1 as well, and that one is computational thinking and programming. And that one is assessed by means of an on-screen examination, which lasts 2 hours. And that is 30% of the actual grade, if you like, for the course. We'll talk about that as well separately. And then finally, there's a controlled assessment element, Unit 3, software development, whereby you'll learn how to use the Python programming language, and you'll learn about how to solve problems and design computer programs, and there's a 20-hour controlled assessment for that, and that's another 20% of the qualification. The exams are actually at the end of the 2-year course. The controlled assessment usually takes place in the 2nd year once you've built up your skills. Now, if we just have a quick look back at Unit 2, Unit 2, as I said, involves some practical skills to do with, first of all, a little bit of web development, very basic stuff, HTML. There's also an element of developing object-oriented programs there using Greenfoot, which is an environment for the Java programming language. And there's also some assembly language in there and a couple of other little things as well. As I said, Unit 3 is Python, and Unit 1 is theory. So let's look at the website that I've put together for this course. There are textbooks to begin with, so you know, if you want to refer to a textbook, there's an electronic textbook that's provided by Gcse that does cover a lot of the course content. You can see there it covers topics relating to Unit 1 and Unit 2, and it's pretty comprehensive in that respect. My website's based on this, so a lot of the slideshows that I provide and that sort of thing are directly based on what's in this booklet here. But as well as that, there are other sources as well. The BBC have recently expanded their BBC bite-size provision, and you'll find there that there's supporting materials for this course, labeled Gcse, but basically Gcse and Gcse are the same awarding body, and there's well, most of it's common to both versions of the course. There's a revision guide available on Amazon, which I can tell the learners who are interested in this how to use that eventually. And there's also lots of notes online as well with regard to how to actually navigate this course and how to succeed on it. We use a couple of online learning tools as well. We use something called eChalk. We use something called Know It All Ninja, and we also trying to think now, there's another one that we use as well. ICT Workout is the other one. So we've got a number of resources available to us, plus practice papers from WJC. And as I said, I mean, the course is broken down into individual sections on my website with slideshows that I go through. There'll be some explanations, some demonstrations of different things. There'll be some hands-on as well, covering all the different things that are required in order to get through the course. And you can see it's pretty comprehensive, covering every aspect of the syllabus. So you can feel confident that the information that you need for this course is readily available to all students when they start the course. We have got some expectations with this course in terms of abilities. It is a difficult course. There's no two ways about that. It's challenging. Consider it in the same sort of category really as some of the tougher school subjects, like some of the sciences and maths and that sort of thing. It is challenging, and not everybody does actually get on the course. There is a selection process, but we encourage everyone who's interested to try. And if somebody is likely to do well on this course, then we encourage them to join us. Okay. So in terms of progression from this course, the college offer level 3 BTEC courses, which are ideal. We also offer A levels here, including computer science. And once you complete those courses, that can lead then on to degrees or apprenticeships. And we do work with employers to try and encourage people to join apprenticeships at different organizations. Jobs that you get from this, well, the skills that you gain, especially things like programming, for instance, are very much in demand. And there are lots of career paths that you can take, including data analysts, programmers, games developers, app developers, and so on. Lots of different jobs. I mean, you can even go into teaching if you want to do that. So I hope this has been useful. Hope you've got enough information from it to get some sort of insight into what we do on this course, and look forward to meeting some of you soon. Thank you very much.